Hello, my name is Tara, and today I'm going to show you in just a few minutes how myACI can get your IT and cybersecurity teams upskilled fast. First, head to Discover, where you'll find an extensive content library that covers foundational to advanced training on high-demand skills and certifications. You can find exactly what you need through a direct search, or you can filter by key topics. Discovering the right training is quick and easy. Creating assignments is how you can get your organization upskilled fast. With a few clicks, you can drop individuals or teams into courses, and those courses will show up immediately in their assignments on their homepage. It's simple to do. You open up the window, drop in your users, find your course, and hit assign. And then they show up on the homepage. Even easier, assigning your training. First, create learning teams to organize and target your assignments. Head to Manage, click on Teams, and it's super simple to create your team. Putting your learners into teams lets you assign tailored training that's specific to your team's goals. You can also assign focused training to individual users, not just teams. For structured, progressive training, you can create learning pathways. They're simple to set up and even more simple to assign. Head to Manage, head to Pathways, and then simply create your pathway here. Pathways work great for role-based team training. And we even have a library of recommended pathways by role, so you don't have to spend a ton of time finding the courses that fit. We've done that work for you. Our video courses are loved by our learners, and with industry-leading completion rates, your team won't find them boring. And with hands-on labs, real labs and real environments, teams aren't passively consuming content, but actively applying concepts to build real skills. Embedded knowledge checks and certification practice exams keep learners on track, and all together with videos and labs, myACI gives your teams a fully integrated learning experience that works. And of course, you're going to want to track success and make sure you're getting the most from your investment. With assignment tracking for both users and teams, you can be sure your learners are getting the most from myACI. Your analytics dash gives you an at-a-glance view for tracking utilization over time, and you can quickly check on progress and completions by users and by teams. Or you can head to reports and do a deeper dive on engagement and completions with downloadable reporting that can be shared. And myACI isn't just for cyber and IT leaders. With tools for learners like self-directed pathways, skill management, and a robust learners dashboard, your team has at their fingertips a wealth of resources to take ownership of their career development, improving motivation, engagement, and retention. And that's been a quick overview of myACI. Try it for yourself today. If you're not already enrolled in your free trial, sign up now. And thank you for watching.